are now, what are we? 200 kilometers in today. Going towards Indianapolis. It's another, I don't know how long after we have to Indianapolis. So we have another 53 kilometers to, I think it's Lafayette. And there I want to have a little break for lunch. And then I don't know, so maybe we get past Indianapolis today, or just towards Indianapolis, but the goal is not to get into Indianapolis. I'm rather going past it towards Louisville, Kentucky. And yeah, so right now we are driving through I don't know, is this corn country? So very flat Indiana, cornfields, soy fields, very straight roads. So we're going straight on this road for another 6.5 kilometers. Going at a nice pace of 70 kilometers an hour, very relaxed, and yeah, just look at what the day will bring. We have quite a strong headwind. So yeah, that's mostly it, I guess.
Nail beds on a couple fingers with a Dremel tool.
Card is fine?
Yay.
Oh, it doesn't work?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
EBT is food stamps.
Oh yeah, okay.
Not debit. I know, happens all the time. People who don't know, don't know.
Yeah.
You can buy cigarettes with your food card?
No. People try to. Yep, you're outside.
Correct, thanks. years ago, I think, I set the motorcycle on its side stand, and it fell over, which can happen. But this time it kind of fell, I don't know, wrong-ish, and I managed to bend my clutch lever, so it's actually pretty far bent. I can still use it, but it's really not nice to use anymore. I also bent some other things, like my front fender. I also bent my front fender here and scratched it, and I bent my guard, which I already was able to kind of get back. Now I'm debating, because I have a spare. Should I just mount the spare, or should I try to whack that back into submission? I'm honestly not sure, because the problem is if I start whacking that now, what about it's aluminium? I could heat it up on my stove, so it's not prone to breaking. But it could still break. Then I'm down a lever and I have this lever, or I just go ahead and put on this lever. If something were to happen again and this lever breaks, I still have the janky lever, because it works. It's just not really nice to use. Ugh, it's just so annoying. Just such a stupid mistake, honestly. Well, forget it. Just put in the new one. Have that one as a spare. Okay, so that's the new lever on here. There's the old one for comparison, that's just bent down now. Yeah. I guess that's an easy fix for a problem that didn't need to exist. That did not just happen. I put on a new clutch lever. I was just like, I don't know, properly tightening the clutch cable, I guess. I pulled it and that happened. Like, what the fuck? Just snapped. I actually don't know what I'm doing now. Am I putting the old one back on? No, I really don't want to like switch the old one. Come on, that should not happen. Oh. You saw it before. My clutch lever situation is not the best. I've just sent a message out because the lever from the SGS3 or M125, which are models that were sold by Sears here in the States. They should also fit my TF. Also, it's not like something really critical broke or anything. I'm still going, so let's keep it that way. And yeah, it's another 120 kilometers. Probably not able to do that on one. Maybe I might be able to do it on one tank. But yeah, let's go to Louisville, I guess.